Well, the Bihar Chief Minister and JDU Chief Nitish Kumar is in the process of expanding his cabinet, formalizing his political divorce from the RJD. The impact of this move is already being discussed by voters across the state. Voters would once given Lalu and Nitish a resounding victory over the BJP in the 2015 assembly elections. Alok Pandey has this report from the Rajgir assembly seat, where the Lalu-Nitish combine had resulted in the JDU wresting a seat held by the BJP for decades.
In Bihar's Rajgir Assembly constituency, 100 kilometers from Patna and in the home district of Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, Raj Kishore Prasad and Sanjay Kumar Yadav are busy dissecting the day's newspaper, trying to make sense of the political events that saw Nitish Kumar ditch ally Lalu Yadav and cross over to the NDA. Sanjay is particularly upset. Yadav voters like him are Lalu Yadav loyalists. They are a sizable number in Rajgir along with forward caste, and their combined votes with Dalits, Muslims and other backward castes like Kurmis and Koris helped Nitish Kumar's party board the victory train in Rajgir, a seat the BJP won continuously since 1980.
खेती किए और उसके बाद ने जब फसल तैयार हुआ उसके बाद अपना अपनी काट लिए, जिन्हें बरियार है हम काट लिए, जिन्हें कमजोर है आपको छोड़ दिए, तो मंजूरी की बात तो होगी क्या सर.
The Rajgir Assembly seat, in fact, is a prime example of the kind of coalition Nitish Kumar and Lalu Yadav had managed to stitch together in 2015, combining the support of Dalits, backward classes, Muslims, and even in some instances, forward castes, to completely decimate the BJP in that assembly election. Some distance away in the Muslim majority Kada village, the politics of crossovers is the hot discussion topic, with 21-year-old private teacher Mohammad Shakib admitting Nitish may have the upper hand for now.
घाटा फिलहाल अभी नीतीश कुमार को पता नहीं चल रहा घाटे के, लेकिन आने वाले दिनों में नीतीश कुमार घाटा होने वाली है. अब लालू जी का क्या, वो अपना जो सीट है उनका तो फिक्स रहेगी. अब वो आगे क्या मैनेज करते हैं, क्या कंडीशन में वोट मांगते हैं.
Popular perception about the 2015 assembly polls suggests it was Lalu, who was almost politically defunct back then, who gained more from the alliance with Nitish. But independent research suggests otherwise. Almost all of Lalu's votes transferred to Nitish in over 75 seats, but the Janata Dal United votes did not go to the RJD en masse. In over a decade, it is the BJP that has been the most popular party in Bihar, followed by the RJD. Nitish's party is a distant third, with only 17 of 100 people directly voting for the Janata Dal United.
अपमान तो करबे किए, ऐसी बात तो नहीं है कि नहीं किए. बाकी अपना लिए तो वो अच्छे किए, बाकी जब ठीक से रहेंगे तब ना, हो सकता है ये भी तो एक बार टूट के अलग हुए थे.
The 2019 Lok Sabha poll is the next big election in Bihar. Will the voters answer Nitish's move then? In Nalanda with camera person Sudesh Ram and Ravi Ranjan, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.